Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks Online for invoice-to-report workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with QuickBooks Online, navigate to the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Select the appropriate plan that suits your business needs. If you are unsure, you can explore the features of each plan before making a choice. After selecting a plan, click on the Buy Now or Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to use a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Click Next to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide some basic information about your business. Fill in your business name, industry type, and the number of employees. After entering the information, click Next again. You will then need to input your contact information, including your name and phone number. After entering your contact details, review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to accept the terms and click Create Account. Follow the prompts to configure your business settings. You may be asked to connect your bank account for seamless transaction tracking. Select your bank from the list and sign in using your online banking credentials. QuickBooks will then securely link your bank account for automatic import of transactions. Once linked, you will be directed to the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. To begin creating invoices, locate the Sales tab on the left sidebar. Click on Invoices under the Sales menu. Press the New Invoice button to create your first invoice. Fill in the required details including customer name, invoice date, and items or services provided. Once your invoice is complete, press Save and send to deliver it to your customer. You can track the status of the invoice in the Invoices section. To report on your income and expenses, navigate to the Reports tab on the left sidebar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.